our flood watch still very much intact. Long after the rainfall goes, we're still going to keep that flood watch.
Our front door blew open in the middle of the night, set the alarm off, fire department came. But yeah, it was just crazy.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're down here at what was beautiful Glendale, but today it's a mess. We had a flood about 2 or 3 days ago, and the water line was way up on that top ridge up there. It washed the bridge out down in there, and you can see down here, let me get down into the bottom, where it washed sand out, washed dirt around the roots of the trees. See all this roots down in here. It's gonna be a long time for things to get back to normal here. As you can see, it just filled this hole full. We usually climb up right through there. But anyway, I brought the bigheadrc V2 seal chassis down here today. I decided to run it. I ain't run it in a while. So we're gonna put the GoPro on the bottom of the transmitter and get out there and see if we can make a go at it. I hope you enjoy this video. We hadn't run this truck recently. I do know it's got full droop in the back. I'm running it on 3S. It just has the I think it has dual stage foams in the back and just regular foams in the front. Climbed that pretty good, didn't it? Let me get my camera up a little bit more. Might have to watch where I step down here, because all we got is vines and look like some cans and bottles from washed up from 1930. Check that out. You don't see I don't know if you can see it, you don't see bottles shaped like that anymore. Ain't no telling the stuff that's washed up down here. Well, let's get back to the task at hand here and see what this little truck can do. If I don't get cut on one of these glass bottles down here and have to go get me a, I guess you can't, I don't know, some kind of shot or something. Oh yeah. There we go, there we go, there we go. It's full droop, so I don't know if it will lift up over anything like this. It might just get caught. No, I think it's gonna make it. Awesome. Let's see if we can drop back down in here. This is the Rad Seal V2 chassis. I don't know what happened to this company, but they built an awesome chassis. I was really impressed by it. And one of my buddies bought one. Was actually a team driver for him for a little while. So I bought one because I seen his run. And I think they've no longer making them, I believe. I follow their Instagram. But, you know, it's just like it's somebody's personal Instagram now. You just see, like, all different kind of stuff. You don't see much into, or I don't anyway, the RC comp crawl chassis and stuff like that. But as you can see, this chassis still got it, even though it's got a little age on it. So it ain't too bad off. So there used to be a rock right there, but that rock is gone now. Used to be a rock right there we'd crawl up on, but it's no longer there. Had to back up just a little bit. Try to make it up this V slot here. See if we can go up it. It's probably gonna need a bump. Oh, I was about to say it's probably gonna need a bump, but it looked like it was wanting to. Oh, nice, nice. We usually come down this side over here, but as you can see, it's all underwater, so we won't be doing any of that today. And there you can see with that full droop in the front, it's hard for it to pull that off, but still got it up in there. See if we can make our way down this little part right here and get down in here. It's gonna be hard to get my truck in some of the spots that it usually gets in because of all of the dirt that's washed. All the dirt has washed out around these roots on these trees. Oh yeah, getting it, getting it. Yes sir, yes sir. Got it up there, didn't we? Let's see if we can come back down this way. So, I don't know, our tires is pretty dirty right now. I don't know if we can climb that or not. She's want to. Yeah, I seen her going. She was gonna go there. Gonna flip right over. Got to mess with the EXP on this one. It's got too much at reverse. Oh, almost. Almost had it. Let's go over here and try the, if I can get over there. Let's go over here and try the little climb. It's it about got washed away or filled up. My drink is right in the way of it too. Full droop ain't helping none on that. Oh, we might come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I think this has got a brush motor in it. I think, I'm not really sure, but I think it does. Oh, I flipped over. See if I can pull that off again. If I can get the truck flipped back over. I should have looked and seen what kind of motor it had in it. I'm too far over that way now. See if I can go up it, then drop off of it. No, I might do work on the shocks on this thing. That full droop in the front shocks is just making the chassis bottom out too much. Hold on there, baby, hold on. All right, that's where you want to be. But you don't want to be kicked up that high. Might need a longer wheelbase. I believe put some springs up front. put a little bit longer wheelbase in there. It might actually do this climb, but I think it's gonna do it anyway. I got my drink right there in the way. Move! Move! Pushing that big bottle of Gatorade over. Oh, let me see what's in this truck. I can't remember. Oh yeah, it's a brush motor. I think it's like a 35 turn brush motor, and it's got that ESC, that one from it was that cheap ESC everybody was using there at one time. It makes, you can program the different noises that it makes and stuff, and that's the one that's in there. Yeah, I can't remember the name of it at the moment. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. We had a good time. Well, everything's starting to dry out now. We still got a long way to go, but hopefully, you know, it'll be dried up for too long and we'll be able to get back doing a lot of trail crawling and stuff. But y'all just stay tuned. We're still working on the Unimog, still building the SX10-2 UMG 10, and we just got finished up on an actual working tow truck. We just built it out of spare parts we had. We're gonna go over it in depth and show you how we did it. And that's about it. So if you want to, you know, keep up with what's going on, you might want to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. And just remember, till next time, I love you, but God loves you more.